If you've ever sent a marketing email campaign and noticed you're getting a lot of hard bounces, you've probably wondered, what's the best way to clean up these contacts from my database? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to identify and delete contacts who've hard bounced on your marketing emails using HubSpot's CRM. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a streamlined, up-to-date contact list, and you'll avoid sending emails to invalid addresses, which helps your sender reputation in the long run. Let's jump right in. The most efficient way to tackle this is by creating a segment, or list, of the hard-bounced contacts and then deleting them in bulk. Don't worry if you haven't done this before. I'll walk you through each step. Start by navigating to contacts in your HubSpot account. You can get there by heading to CRM and then clicking Contacts, or if you prefer working from the List tool, go straight to Contacts and then Lists. Both routes work, so use whichever feels more comfortable for you. Now, let's create a filtered view or a list to pinpoint those hard bounces. If you're inside Contacts, look to the top left and click Add Filter. Here's where those contact properties become super handy. Search for Email Hard Bounce Reason. This property specifically flags any contact whose email has bounced for a definitive, technical reason that won't resolve itself, like the email address no longer existing. Set the condition to Is Known. This tells HubSpot, show me everyone who's ever hard bounced. This way, you're sure not to miss anyone who shouldn't be receiving your emails. Alternatively, if you prefer using the Lists tool, click Create List. Give your list a memorable name, maybe something like Hard Bounced Contacts June 2024, and make sure to select Active List. The active list will automatically keep updating if you get more hard bounces in the future, which is fantastic if you want to keep on top of things. Then, set your criteria just like before. Contact property. Email hard bounce reason is known. This is really the key filter you need. Once you've set your filter or created your list, take a moment to let HubSpot populate it. Depending on your database size, this part might take a few moments. It's just the system pulling up everyone who matches your criteria. When it's ready, review the contacts in your list or view. Double-check here. Deleting is permanent, and you definitely want to make sure you're only removing the emails that can't be delivered anymore. It's a bit like pruning a plant. You want to take off what's dead, but you don't want to accidentally lose something healthy. Now for the bulk delete step. First, select the checkbox in the top left corner of the table. This grabs all the contacts showing on your current page. You'll probably notice a prompt or link to select all number of contacts across your whole segment, not just the ones you see right now. Click that so you've got the entire list selected. Next, head to the More or Actions drop-down menu toward the top right and pick Delete. HubSpot will ask you to enter the number of contacts you're deleting to confirm. This is a safety measure, so take a moment and check that number. When you're sure, click Delete. Just like that, you've trimmed out all those hard-bounced contacts. And you're done. Your email list is cleaner, you're protecting your sender reputation, and future campaigns will run much more smoothly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips of your own. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more simple, effective marketing tutorials. You'll be the first to know when new videos drop. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.